Question number 2 is no calculator. It gives us this function, and it asks us to find the volume of the cross-section. Well, find the volume, essentially, taking cross-sections that are perpendicular to the y-axis. The y-axis cross-sections, that means are going to be like sort of this shape. And so their widths are gonna be going from the y-axis all the way out to this graph. Now, because we're doing it perpendicular to the y-axis, that means we need to be able to solve for x. That's your sort of trigger word for y perpendicular to the y-axis is that you need to solve for x. So taking this equation and solving for x would be the cube root of 2y equals x. So then that is how sort of like wide, it's like the width of our cross section. We are looking to make rectangles. So then there's the width of our rectangles, and it tells us the height is y over 2. So as far as an integral goes, we'll be taking the integral. I think we're just supposed to set up the integral. Taking the integral from our upper and lower, and this is, we're doing perpendicular to the y-axis. So sort of everything is in terms of y here, right? Like when I say solve for x, it's because everything has to be in terms of y. Our variable of integration here, dy, means everything is in terms of y. So we're going from y values 0 to 4. And again, we're not using x because it said perpendicular to the y-axis. So then the width of our rectangle is the cube root of 2y. The height of our rectangle is y over 2. We're multiplying those two things. So then this is like our integrand. Our variable of integration here is dy. And we're going from 0 to 4.